status report on the Titan's hydraulics.
All systems nominal, Captain. We are good for deployment.
The GPS signal shows the poachers are only 8 kilometers northwest.
That area is rough terrain. Steep slopes and underground streams. Not easy to reach.
Titan, Dash 0101 can clear the path. Just give me the coordinates.
All right, Titan 01, begin rolling. Clear the perimeter now, move it.
Status report link.
Drone detected fresh tire tracks 300 meters ahead.
They passed here recently.
Convoy lead, approaching the structure now. Keep it steady. Keep visual contact. Ming, lower your engine noise, Tay. We can't risk being heard.
We're losing the connection. The primary console is down. I repeat, we have a total system failure. Someone's jamming our signal. They know we're coming.
Ling, switch to thermal imaging. Scan the area.
Got something. 3 heat signatures, dragging something heavy. It could be the Panda cub.
No sudden moves. We wait for confirmation of the Panda's location.
Titan can block their escape route. I'll flank from the north.
Good. Stay quiet.
Ling, prepare the electric net launcher.
The big one is still in the cage. I repeat, the Tiger is secure. Bring the transport now. Over.
Confirmed. The Panda's alive. 3 guards on watch.
Ming, move in.
Look!
It's coming, run!
Get down! Keep moving!
Hands on your head! Don't you dare move!
Shh, it's okay now. You're safe with me.
Take the Panda back to base. But this isn't over, I. There's still a larger group out there.
Then the real mission has just begun.
In the heart of the jungle, the sound of steel and